What's the whole history behind Dr. Sarno? How did he develop this idea of brain-body medicine, where almost no doctor really agrees with, in at least contemporary medicine? So, in the 1950s, he started as a family doctor for around 10 years. He then became an attending physician in the Howard Rusk Institute and also a professor for rehab. And that's where he saw a lot of patients with chronic pain, chronic low back pain, chronic neck pain, chronic pain throughout all the limbs of the body. And he just could not get a grip on treating his patients. Some of them would adhere to his treatment, and a lot of them wouldn't. And he couldn't predict which ones would and which ones wouldn't, and that really frustrated him. Over the years, however, he started noticing certain trends in his patients. A lot of his patients, along with the chronic pain, had a lot of other symptoms. It could have been stomach ulcers or fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue, could have been gastrointestinal, skin-related like eczema, hives, acne, allergies. Yes, allergies. And he started noticing also that a lot of these patients had similar personalities, similar temperaments. And that's when he started developing the brain-body connection. He started realizing, wait a second, maybe the root cause for this pain is not in the body. Maybe it's in the brain, the mind. And that's when he coined the term TMS, which he first defined as tension myositis syndrome, and then later on he modified it to mean tension myoneural syndrome, which is chronic pain in any muscle, tendon, or ligament. And all the other symptoms that I just mentioned, he would coin as TMS equivalent. And yes, he would cure people of migraines, of gastrointestinal problems, of eczema, of allergies, headaches, insomnia, chronic fatigue, all through the brain-body connection. Now, a lot of people might say, yeah, this sounds amazing. What a great story. But, a lot of doctors don't agree with him. Look, the point is, he treated people over 30 years, extremely high success rate. The proof is in the pudding. So you don't have to really agree that Dr. Sarno is legit, but he treated patients, and people attested this. And to really, really smack it home, if you're still skeptical about this, I personally spoke to two people that had the condition called Crohn's disease, which is an autoimmune, chronic inflammatory bowel dysfunction, which if you Google it, you'll see there's no cure for Crohn's disease. There's no cure for it. You only manage it with medication and restricted diet. They told me that going through the treatment plan of Dr. Sarno, they were able to cure themselves of Crohn's, not just manage the symptoms. They were able to cure themselves. No more strict diets, no more medication. So that's why I don't care if other doctors don't agree. This is true medicine. Dr. Sarno's approach to medicine, brain-body dysfunction, brain-body medicine, this is true medicine because we don't manage the symptoms. It's actually getting rid of the condition at the root cause. And contemporary medicine doesn't do that. Contemporary medicine band-aids all the conditions. We're just managing symptoms over here. So that's why Dr. Sarno is the way to go. Brain-body connection.